If you're tired of rushing around in the kitchen, desperately trying to make a meal just before your guests arrive, or the family sits down for dinner, this Crock-Pot 7-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker with MyTime Technology might be exactly what you need. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling a million tasks, or simply someone who loves the ease of slow cooking, this slow cooker is designed to make your life easier, all while delivering delicious, perfectly cooked meals. Combining state-of-the-art technology with a sleek stainless steel design, this slow cooker isn't just another appliance, it's a game changer for your kitchen. From its customizable cooking cycle to its portable, travel-friendly features, this crock-pot promises to deliver flavor-packed meals that will impress your family and friends without the hassle. Why choose the Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker with MyTime Technology? When it comes to slow cookers, the Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker stands out for several reasons, with its innovative MyTime technology being one of the most impressive features. Here's a breakdown of why this model is perfect for anyone who loves the convenience of slow cooking but wants more flexibility and precision. Traditional slow cookers leave you with the task of setting a fixed cook time, but Crock-Pot's MyTime technology changes all that. This unique feature automatically adjusts the cooking cycle based on your meal schedule. Instead of selecting a standard cook time, you tell it when you want your meal to be ready, and the Crock-Pot adjusts the cooking time and temperature accordingly. The result? Perfectly cooked meals at the exact time you need them, eliminating the risk of overcooking or undercooking your food. This feature is perfect for families with varied schedules or for anyone who loves meal prepping. The flat digital countdown control screen makes it incredibly easy to manage your meals. You can easily schedule meal times, adjust cook time, and set the temperature manually with just a few taps. It's an intuitive interface that removes the guesswork from meal preparation. You can also monitor meal progress and customize settings for specific dishes, ensuring your recipes come out just the way you want. Whether you're bringing your meal to a potluck or transporting it for a family gathering, the Cook and Carry locking lid ensures you won't have to deal with any spills or leaks. It provides a tight, leak-proof seal, so you can travel with confidence, knowing that your meal will stay safely inside the cooker. It's the perfect companion for picnics, road trips, and family outings. With a 7-quart capacity, this slow cooker is large enough to prepare meals for 7+ people, making it ideal for families, large gatherings, and dinner parties. Whether you're cooking for your immediate family or hosting a gathering of friends, the generous size ensures you'll have enough food for everyone. One of the biggest challenges of slow cooking is ensuring your food doesn't overcook. With the auto-adjustment cooking cycle, the Crock-Pot ensures that your food is always cooked just right. The technology takes into account the amount of food you're cooking and adjusts the temperature to match, keeping your meal moist, tender, and full of flavor. The Cook and Carry handles are a thoughtful addition to this model. When it's time to serve, simply lift the cooker by the easy-to-grip handles. No more fumbling around with hot, heavy pots or worrying about spills during transport. It's hassle-free, practical, and designed to make your life easier. This slow cooker doesn't just perform well, it looks great in your kitchen too. The stainless steel exterior is both durable and stylish, complementing any kitchen decor. Plus, it's easy to clean, making it a practical addition to any home. The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker is made with aluminum and stainless steel materials, including iron, chromium, nickel, and copper. These materials are durable and sustainable, and the product is 100% recyclable, making it an environmentally friendly choice for conscious consumers. Conclusion: why should you buy the Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker with MyTime Technology? The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker with MyTime Technology is a must-have appliance for anyone who loves slow cooking but craves more control over their meal prep. With its innovative features, user-friendly controls, and family-sized capacity, it's a great investment for those who want to enjoy delicious, hassle-free meals every day. If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, click the link in the description below to view the full product specifications and order your own Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.